suppose I want to send a personalized email for those students who have not logged in. So what I do, click here, and it will show you all the student list that who haven't logged in within 7 days. It has already built-in template. So as you can see, these are the 2 students. I select them, or if I don't want to send one, I can deselect them. I go to compose email. It will give you an option to use the template already available, which is good enough. And if you want to change something, you can. For an example, you don't want first name, so delete it and select from the variable, you use the student full name, right? So let's see how it looks. So as you can see, there are lots of variables over here is available that to be used within this template that you can use. If you want to add something else over here, you can add whatever you want to write. This is a test email. Okay, so as you can see, it's very customizable. You can use the default template, or you can write whatever you want to write. Then you can preview. Once you preview it, it should be able to fetch all the data and the link, and it will show it to you. For an example, it fetch the full name, as you can see over here. I shuffled all the names here, so no one can understand which unit and which student. And as you can see, it picked up the course name over here with the link. So that will go as it is. And this is your whatever you have written in the email. This is automatically populated of the resources that has been accessed by other classmates. So this is only to encourage students that, look, your friends are using this, clicking on this, so you might be interested to see as well. And if you have any problem, as you can see, this is also automatically populated. So let me send it. So this is in my test environment. So if I send it, it won't go to a student, it will go to my email. So I send it. So it will come to my email very soon, and let's see how it looks. So while it comes to my email, I want to show you one more thing. It's already there. So let me show you. So the first student will receive one of these. So dear first student name, and all this link and this and that. So they can click straight to this link and go to that resource. So they don't have to log in, find that resource and view it straight from here. So this is one of the good thing that iLearn Insight has done, and I think most successful. So see, this is the first student and this is the second student. This is the email they will be receiving. Okay, so now one more thing I want to tell you over here, that we have 2 different ways to send personalized email. One is personalized targeted email, one is personalized bulk email. And the difference is, in personalized targeted email, you will be able to select the student or deselect the students. The reason is, suppose if there are 50 students, you want to send only for 10, you can deselect those 40 out of it. But the drawback of this is you can send 100 students, 100 email to 100 students at a time. So in big units like most of the business school units, which has like 1500 students, it didn't work for them. So for them, I basically did this one, where you click to this and it will send to all the students. So it might be 1000 students, it might be 1500 students, doesn't matter. So there is no selection or nothing. So for an example, you preview over here, and it will show you how many students you are sending that email to, and you need to acknowledge, that's all, saying that yes, I am happy to send to 44 students or 1500 students. So the difference between these two, one, you can select all the students that you want to send, or deselect students you don't want to send. Bulk email you send to everyone, right? I'm not going to in details of this, but this is more self-explanatory what this does. As you can see, it sends for different groups. So email all students, all participants in a cohort, all participants who hasn't logged in, all participants who hasn't completed a quiz or attempted a quiz but didn't submit, or all participant who hasn't completed the academic integrity module.